In ancient times, human life was very simple yet full of challenges. They didn't yet know agriculture, animal husbandry, or the technology we use today. All necessities, especially food, had to be obtained from nature. Therefore, hunting was an essential part of daily life. Every morning, strong and trained men would gather in front of their caves or simple dwellings. Armed with sharpened wooden spears and stone axes, they prepared to hunt animals such as deer, bison, or even mammoths. Before setting out, they would observe animal tracks, scents, and sounds to determine the direction of the hunt. Hunting isn't just about courage, but also about cooperation and strategy. Some hunters chase animals from behind, while others wait in cover to attack from the other side. The shouts, footsteps, and snapping of spears are all part of their battle against nature. If the hunt was successful, they would bring home meat for food, hides for clothing, bones for tools, and horns for other supplies. No part of the animal was wasted, as everything had a use. At night, the entire group gathered around the campfire. They cooked meat, shared stories, and made plans for the next day. Fire was their primary friend, providing warmth, light, and a sense of security from wild animals. Life in ancient times was full of risk and uncertainty. However, through hunting, humans learned to cooperate, communicate, and create simple tools. This is where the long journey of humankind began. Although harsh, this life formed the foundation of civilization that thrives today. After a long night spent in front of a campfire, early humans slowly awoke as the early sunlight began to illuminate the mouth of their sheltered cave. The morning air was cool, leaving a thin layer of dew on the leaves and stones. The fire that had burned brightly the night before was now reduced to a small, red ember, but still enough to warm their stiffening hands. The group went out first to ensure the area was safe from predators. Meanwhile, the women and children gathered leftover food from previous hunts and used animal bones and hides to make simple tools and clothing. After ensuring safety, the hunters resumed their preparations. They inspected their spears, repaired dulling tips, and sharpened sharp stones for reuse. Their growing hunger served as a reminder that their survival depended on the success of the day's hunt. The journey to find food was not just a necessity, but a way of life. Every day was a lesson in resilience, strategy, and cooperation. Despite the dangers of their lives, their courage and ingenuity slowly shaped the future that would eventually lead humanity to the development of civilization. When they did find food, they didn't just eat to satisfy their hunger, they celebrated as a form of gratitude and togetherness. The campfire became the center of their lives, a place to share stories, laugh, learn, and feel comfort. They had no possessions or luxuries. Yet, amidst their simplicity, they found something far more precious, a sense of belonging, brotherhood, and warmth. Despite their harsh and dangerous world, early humans lived with strong hearts, happy not because of ease, but because they had each other. At that time, early humans were highly dependent on nature. They foraged by hunting animals, fishing, and gathering wild fruits, plant roots, and edible leaves. Nature is a gift given to humans, where all life is created and grows. Therefore, we must care for it responsibly so that the earth remains green, the water remains clear, the air remains fresh. and life can continue to run in harmony.